Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to install WordPress in Xampp. Alright, so I have already installed Xampp, but I want to experience how to work with WordPress. So I'm gonna go to wordpress.org, so you can go ahead and find that. Alright, but right now I'm not going to sign in. I'll just want to download it for my PC. Alright, so for PC. For PC. So here. So download wordpress.org. Okay. So you go to download wordpress.org, and then we're going to download the most recent version, which is download the WordPress 6.1.1. Alright, so and then it has recommended versions here that it should run with PHP 7.4 or MySQL 5.7. So this is for uh, so that it can handle the database. Alright, so we go ahead and download this one. Click the download, and then thanks for downloading. Okay, and so on and so forth. Alright, so I'm not going to log in. I'm not going to register. Uh, Maybe later using a email, but the first step is to open this when done. All right. Okay. Let's see where the file is. Okay. Okay. Let's just show it in folder. Not working. So we go to our file directory instead. Alright, so it must be here in downloads, and then here it is, and we want to extract it to the right destination, which is our root folder. So you can actually extract it. Okay, extract files, not here. uh-huh. So I just opened it with the WinRAR. Okay, because yeah, just to make sure that it'll be uh, virus free. Oh, not sure, but be sure that whatever you do with this is a safe file. So we go ahead and go to drive C, local disk C. Okay, so it's in here, and then it's inside Xampp. So we no, not that file, not that one. Okay, but here, Xampp. Okay, and you go to htdocs. Alright, and then there you go. Click OK. Then it will be extracted there. Alright, so let's check the directory. So we go here, local disk C XAMPP, and then it's inside, it must be inside our htdocs. So we can rename this folder. Let's try um, YT University. Yep, there we go, YT University. And then it has all the contents that we want to uh, download. Alright, so right now we want to install this also in our PHP. Okay, so to do that, you can go ahead and open your Xampp, run the Xampp thing. Xampp. Alright, so we'll try to run this as an administrator to give us more power and more control. So you click on that, then it will start up and try to uh, prepare the computer for local hosting. There it is, and you will see something like this. Alright, so we have the Apache server, you have the MySQL. So we go here, you click that one to start. So now it's working when the ports are already activated. Alright, so Apache runs on ports 80 and 443. MySQL runs on 3306. Alright, so we go ahead now and open our phpMyAdmin. So I actually bookmarked the particular um, directory. Okay, so if I click on this, so it should be able to load up, or if not, there are other choices. Okay, yeah, so it's able to parse the command, and then we're going to create a database right here before we start the installation process. Another way is um, let me just close it. Another way is when you click the admin. Alright, and then you have options here. Then you can click this one. You will be directed in the same folder, and you will see your inside localhost phpMyAdmin. Alright, so now that you are here in phpMyAdmin, you can also create a new database, which will be the database that we're going to use to run our WordPress. So I'll take this one, okay, um, because that will be the name of your site later on. Okay, all right. So let's go ahead and create that. So the process might require you to do it over and over again. So if you're going to create it, make sure that you have a copy of the code. Like for example, this one. So I'll drop it first. So I go to my SQL. Then let's say you want to drop that one. So that in case you wanted to delete a database, so I'm gonna say drop, and then and then database. All right. So databases, if you want to drop many database, all right, and then you have the YT, the name of the database, yeah, YT University. Then click the go icon here or the go button here, then it will be dropped. All right. So you can also create the database using SQL, and all right. So let's just create a new one using the button. Okay, but there are other options on how you can do it. So I'll say, yeah, let's create it again. Okay, now leave it as is, but the database is right here and it is empty. But together with the program that we have downloaded earlier, this database will be modified. All right, so let's do that. So the next thing to do is to call on your yeah. So we call on the local host, or you can actually visit this the address. Okay. So in your Xampp, okay, know the address of the folder that contains the WordPress. Okay, so it's in here, YT University. So I'm gonna go ahead and since my local host is running, or if you like, we can go here. Yeah, that's a lot easier. So this is the dashboard, but we want the folder, so we know the name of the folder, and that's gonna be YT University. University. So this will direct to the folder, and we'll try to figure out what's in there, and we'll try to run the program that is in that particular folder, which will in turn try to install WordPress. So let's wait until it's done. So you see that we are going to install WordPress again. Okay, and you are going to choose for the language. So we choose English. So you can also choose Cebuano or any other language out there. Alright, so here are the things that we need. Okay, so you may see a lot better. Alright, so welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, you should be able to read this: database name, database username, then database password, and then database host. So if your database is live, I think there's another way on how you can do that. But right now, we are going to use the credentials of this particular database. So how do you know? Okay. So it's in users. Alright, so I'm going to minimize this first. So where is that? Privileges. How do I find that? Okay, anyway, later on it will show up. Yeah, this one. So we need these credentials, okay, and then we are going to put it there. So we'll set it to 100. Yep. Anyway, the larger version are a lot easier to read, so we go with that, and then let's go click this one. This is where information is used to create a w/wordpress config.php file. Alright, so let's go ahead and create the database inside. So the database name, as you might guess, is YT University. Alright, the username, um, yeah, it's root. So how do you know? Yeah, this one, root. Okay, so this is your username, and then password. So there's no password, localhost, and then the prefix that is that will be used, all right, is w_p, stands for WordPress. So if that's all good for you, click submit. All right, and then hello there, Sparky. You made it through this part of the installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database if you're ready, and then run the installation. So you do run it. Okay, so this will be your site title. I think I'm gonna go with yeah, YT University. Alright, as my username, site title, and then password. Okay, let's go with a simple one: admin, then admin. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do that. Okay, let's just do this for practice. Okay, so click this one, and then I need an email. What's the email? Rachel. What's the email? Rachel. Yep. Morales. Angeles. 111193 at gmail.com. Alright, so let's make sure that the email is correct. Rachel Morales. Yep. Angeles 111193 at gmail.com. So I discourage search engines from indexing the site. It is up to search engines to honor this request. Whoa. So I'm not going to check that. Then it will run the installation. And then we'll go back to the database later on, so to show you what happened. Success. Okay, the password was found in a data breach. Google password manager will changing this password now. Okay. Well, let's just save it for a while. So you click this one and log in. And admin, then remember me, then click login. Here we go. So in here you can change the password. Howdy admin. Alright, so you can change it here. Then you can do a lot of stuffs here. So welcome to WordPress. Okay, there we go. Alright, so it is inside your local host. So whatever you do here, alright, this is the draft. This will be the draft of your site moving forward. So this is just a practice site. Okay, this is a practice site. So let's go back to your local host. There we go, or phpMyAdmin rather. So yeah, so you see that White University has been changed. There we go. So I hope you were able to learn how to install WordPress successfully in your computer. So hope to see you soon, guys. Please click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get updated whenever we post new videos like this.